Hey guys, Nick here. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your own YouTube channel in 6 easy steps. And I'm going to give you some unique steps that I've not heard anyone else advising, which I found very helpful when I started my YouTube channel. This one right here that you're watching right now. So yeah, basically, let's just jump straight into it. At number 1, you need to decide what niche if you're in America, but niche is niche. What niche you want to make your videos in. So is your channel going to be a photography channel? Is it going to be a cooking channel? Is it going to be a comedy channel? Are you going to do makeup tutorials? Like, what is it? Is it a DIY channel? You know, there's so many different categories out there. What is it that you want to make videos on? And yeah, so you need to decide what your niche is going to be. Why do you need to decide that at this stage? It seems quite early, right, to just jump in and go, well, what am I going to create my channel about? I'm going to get onto that in step number 2. And the reason you need to decide your niche and what your channel is going to be about is because you need to decide your name, the name of your channel at this stage. Obviously in the future you can change the name of your channel and you can even change what your channel is about, but it's very, very helpful if you can decide what your channel is about right now and the name. So step 1, decide the niche, and step 2, we're going to decide the name. So let's just jump onto the computer and I'll show you why you need to decide the name right now. Okay, so here we are in Google. So what you want to do is just Google name check. Not name checker, just name check. And it should be the first one, namecheck.com. So just make sure you're not clicking on any of these that are spelled incorrectly, just namecheck.com. Now this website will show you which accounts, so which social media accounts are available for the name that you have chosen for your YouTube channel. So for example, I'm just going to type in 950 challenge demo. Just going to click on the check button here and it's going to come up with all the results for 950 challenge demo and what is available. So here we can see that Facebook is available, the Twitter's available, the Instagram's available. It does say that YouTube is already taken, but it's not. I know it's not. And here we've got the website. So you want the .com as well if you're going to build a website later on. So it does depend on what your channel is about as to whether you want the web address, but this will show you what is available and it basically give you the options. What you need to know is that you are going to need to get the Instagram, the Facebook page and the Twitter account for your YouTube channel as well, because you're going to want to communicate with your fans. You're going to want to communicate with your subscribers, and these are all very good ways of doing it. So what you need to do now, once you've decided on the name of your channel, so we're going to go with 950 challenge demo, is you need to go to Google and we're going to click on Gmail, and then we're going to click on, if you already have a Gmail, we're going to click on use another account. So why are we creating a new account for this YouTube channel? Why aren't we just using our own personal YouTube channel? Now this is a unique piece of information, as well as the previous piece of information I just told you. This is a unique piece of information because ever since I have signed up for a YouTube channel under a personal account, I've also signed up for many different things that help me run that account and create that account. And you find that your personal email account will just get full. It will just get really full up with all these different emails for your YouTube channel and your personal emails. So this is the best way to do it, is to keep them separate. And we're going to click on create an account. So here we have for myself or to manage a business. The main difference here is that under the to manage a business, you can actually grant other people access to log into your Google account if you want people to actually help manage your YouTube channel, and you don't need to give them your login details to this email address. However, right now we're just beginners. All we need to do is click on for myself, and if you want to change it to a more business focused YouTube channel later on, then you can actually change it at a later date. So we're just gonna fill in the details here. So Nick, I'm just gonna fill in the rest of these details. So your first name, last name, username, which will be 950 challenge demo in this instance, but this is where you put in the name of your YouTube channel that you're wanting it to be. So in this instance, 950 challenge demo, and then choose yourself a password and then click next. Okay, so there we've got phone number optional, recovery email address optional. I usually put one in. Your date of birth and your gender. So as you can see, it will actually make you put your date of birth and your gender in. So I'm just going to fill in those details and click next. So here you can decide whether you want the web and app activity kept, so things like your searches, etc. Google can actually store this information for you until you delete it manually, keep it for 18 months, or don't save any of it at all. I'm going to choose keep until I delete it, but you can choose whatever you want. And again, with your YouTube history, keep until you delete it or delete it after 18 months. Choose whichever you best prefer. And your ads choice, show you personalized ads or show you generic ads. Again, it's up to you. Let's just go with personalized. And then you have your T's and C's, read through your terms and conditions, and if you agree with all these terms and conditions, click I agree. And there we go, welcome. So yeah, we've got our account created. So whatever, default, thanks. Now we've sorted out what we want to make our YouTube video on, and we've sorted out the name, and we've got our Gmail account. The next step is to create our YouTube channel. So just hop over to youtube.com. Here we are, and you just need to go to sign in. And there we go. I believe we are signed in under 950. So I didn't actually have to put any credentials in because I'm already logged into my Gmail account there. It's automatically signed me in to YouTube. So now we're signed into YouTube. You can go along and click like on this video if you like this video, and it's been quite helpful. If you've got a YouTube sign in, it will let you like videos and share them and things. So yeah, feel free to like and subscribe to this channel now you've got a Gmail account and a YouTube account. But basically what we need to do now is create your YouTube channel. So you click on the top circular little icon up here at the top right, and you can see you got your name and your email address. Now if you just click create a channel, this is where your creator journey begins. So pursuing your creative passions, connecting with your audience and sharing your stories begin with creating your channel. Let's get started. So click on get started. Do you want to use your name, so Nick Ryder, or do you want to use a custom name? So create a channel using a brand or other name and picture. So that's the one we want to click on. So we'll select that. And here is where you create your channel name. So this is the name of your email address. So you're just keeping everything consistent. So this will be 950 challenge demo. And here, read your terms and conditions, and I'm going to click OK because I already read them when I created my other channel or this channel, and click on create. Nice work, your channel 950 challenge demo has been created. So here we have the opportunity to upload a profile picture. So you just click on upload your profile picture, and you can take one off of your desktop. So it's up to you what you want to do there, whether you want to get a logo done or whether you just want to put your face on it. Find a photo of your face, you can take one on your phone and get that uploaded. And here we have a very important section. This is your about section, so make sure you fill that out and let people know what your channel is about. And here we have any social media links if you have. We know the website's free, right? Because we already checked on the name checker. So if you want to get the website, you can go ahead and get the website. And you've got your social media accounts here. Okay, so we're going to set that up later. So we're going to click on set up later. And this is, ta-da, this is your YouTube channel. Or, well, this is my new YouTube channel, but yours will look like this. So it will give you some pointers. So follow these pointers. Customize channel. This is where you organize your channel page, add or update your channel banner and more. Okay. And here you can upload a video. So you're going to need to upload a video. Obviously it's YouTube. The whole point is to upload a video. But one thing you definitely need to do is come up to this top corner, click on the little profile image, and then go to settings. Now, while you're in your settings, if you go to your channel status and features, you'll see that yes, you can upload videos, but you can't actually upload videos longer than 15 minutes. And you can't add custom thumbnails or external annotations. So what you need to do is verify your account. So just click on verify up here, and now select the country you're in, and also either call you with an automated voice message or text you with the verification code. So if you do that, enter your phone number, you'll get a verification code. So just enter that in here. And there you go. Your account is verified. Just click continue. And there you go, you've got the little verified tick at the top, and you can see that you can add custom thumbnails, external annotations, and longer videos. So there we go. So just go to return to YouTube Studio, and then click on the top again, and then click on your channel. And there we go, we're back here. Also, you can customize your channel by adding the channel banner, and this link here will take you to your YouTube Studio. So if you want to work on your channel banner straight away, you can then go over to Canva. So it's just canva.com, canva.com. And under Discover, so you've got Home, Templates, and Discover at the top. If you click on See All, and then you're going to scroll down to, so you've got blogging, ebooks, documents, education, events, marketing materials. And if you scroll down to social media and email headers, you can actually sort out your YouTube channel art. So this is where you can make your YouTube banner. Just click on Start Designing YouTube Channel Art, and it will make you sign up with Google. Okay, so that's fine. So just sign in with your new Gmail account under the same name that you've got your YouTube channel under the same account, and yeah, it'll give you a tutorial down the bottom corner, tutorial to create your first design. So here we go: travel, YouTube channel art, beauty, makeup. So we already know what our channel is going to be about. You've already decided it's going to be about music, so you can just scroll down and pick something. Pick any of these pictures. They're all free. And just choose something that relates to your channel, and then type in your name. And then once you've done that, you can save, you can download up the top corner. Once you've finalized your design, you can download it onto your desktop. Then you come back into YouTube, click on customize your channel, and then just click up here. It says add channel art. So as an example, I'll upload the banner from my other channel, or from this channel you're watching this video on. So go to the folder that has that in. You might have saved yours on your desktop, and where did I put it? YouTube banner. I think it was number 2. So you upload it. Might take a few seconds, and then once that's done, you can adjust and crop. It will show you what it looks like on desktop, TV, and mobile. And once that's done, yeah, just click select, and Bob's your uncle, you got some YouTube art. Just give that a bit of a refresh. There we go. There's my YouTube banner. So yeah, pretty simple. Once you have a video recorded and you want to upload something, you just click on this little camera at the top here. So upload a video. And this is going to take you to your YouTube uploader. Then you can just select the file. If it's on your desktop or wherever it is, just click select file, upload, and then you can wait for that to go through. And then that's where you fill in your title of your video, you fill in the description of your video, you can put some taglines in, and create end cards. It will basically walk you through all the steps as you go through the YouTube uploader. This is the new uploader, so they do have helpful hints and tips and guides as you go through. And yeah, publish your video, away you go. Good luck with your new YouTube career. So there you go, guys. You're all set up and ready to go. There is one final step you need to do, and it's something I mentioned at the beginning of the video, and that is to go through to Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook and set up the Facebook page, your Twitter account, and your Instagram account, as you'll want to have all of those under the same name, under that same email address that you've just set up for Gmail. And there you go, you're ready to go. You've got all your accounts, you've got your YouTube set up. But what you're thinking now is, well, how do I create a video? Well, if you want to know a really good, really simple, easy, effective setup for filming on YouTube, then check out this video up here. It's a video that I recently just released, and that will show you the setup and the settings that you can use to start just filming for YouTube. And yeah, there you go, guys. I'll make a video in the future just showing you how to basically film and edit a video really easily. But I hope you got some value out of this. If you did, then please, with your new Gmail account and logged into YouTube, please give me a thumbs up, a like, and a share. And yeah, I hope this goes well for you. Thanks a lot. Watch the other videos. There's going to be some videos coming up here at the end. So yeah, until next time, catch you later.